Make a great choice today with 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.